It feels good to be here in your academy. Galing gitara na to po! From Team Sara yan. So, ano na? Kakanta tayo dahil?
Opo. We prepared a special song for you guys. At sana po magustuhan niyo po.
Para po sa inyo. Rescue, sabi rescue natin dito. Yes, so sobrang saya ko po na nakaabot ako dito sa Calgary. Galing po kami Vancouver dati. Nangangarap lang ako makapunta sa Canada. Ngayon, lamig-lamig dito, no? Nagamit ko rin mga jacket ko. Dati tinatago ko lang eh. So, ang saya-saya po tayo mga Filipino po dito. Taas na po dyan mga Filipino! 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 Diba? Ino po muna ako. Break. So, muna na po ba kami The Voice? For my first song, this this is one of the songs that I sang po sa The Voice. Kung natatandaan niyo po, ito po yung kinanta ko bago yung Big Night. Isa po ito sa mga favorite songs ko ng favorite ko ring artist na pinauso ng Bee Gees, Janis Joplin, and Michael Bolton. So para po sa inyo. Sabihin niyo po ako. So nakita ko naman yung gumaganyan. Parang concert talaga. There's a light, a certain kind of light that never shone on me. I want my life to be to live with you, to live with you. There's a way everybody said to do each and every thing. Oh, but what good does it bring if I ain't got you? If I ain't got you. Conquering, singing me now. You don't know what it's like. Go away with it. You don't know what it's like. Oh, say what? The way I love you. Kailan ko hindi ko sa'yo. In my mind, I see your face again. I know my frame of mind. You wake up to be so alive. I'm blind, so very blind. I'm a girl, oh yes I am. Can't you see what I am? I live and breathe for you. But what could just to do if I ain't got you? If I ain't got you, oh baby, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. Oh, you don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody. You don't know to love somebody. You don't know if I ain't got you. Oh, you makes it through the years to love somebody. Oh, baby, please, to love somebody. To love somebody. To love somebody. Ang ganda ng song po, no? Yung isa na kasi sa mga favorite songs ko na pinapatugtog ng papa ko tuwing umaga. Tagay na, tagay! Di ba, pang ganda ng song? Nung napakinggan ko yun, actually, kinanta ko yun sa The Voice. Narinig ko lang po siya, naalala ko lang naman, di ko ito kantahin. So yun, nag-work naman po siya, nakapasok ako sa Deep Night, nakalusot. Ninoto niyo po ba ako noon? Yes. So binoto niyo kami lahat ha, Team Apple, Team Sarah, Team Bamboo, Leia. Siyempre, for my next song, sorry po pala inom ako pag kumakante eh. Para makapayat. Di ba po? Parang workout kasi ito eh. Inom ulit po ako. Palakpakan mo na umiinom po. Nakakahingal. Ang dami ko natang naubos na taba. Di ba po? So, for my next song, Ay, gusto ko na yan, i-promote po na yung mga kinakakantayin po namin ngayon. Most of the songs na kinakanta namin is nasa album po namin yan. Available po yan dito. Dala po kami kung gusto nyo pong mapakinggan niya paulit-ulit sa